guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbies and I'm back again with another awesome video. Now I have a question again. Now how many of you or someone you know has woken up in the morning, found their phone crashed and all their WhatsApp messages gone? Whether it was text messages on WhatsApp, images, videos, documents, everything. Or when you're trying to make a switch to a phone, get a new one, and you find a lot of those messages going missing. Wow, isn't that a scary situation? We all love to keep the history of our chat messages forever and forever. Since the time WhatsApp came out, I have the first message I sent across till date synced. Back in the days, we used to do it a lot of it manually when we were changing our phones, and we used to go out and get it done from the shops and pay a lot of money to them. We still have a lot of inbuilt solutions within WhatsApp by upgrading it on the Google Drives and other things, but there's still a loophole, which means when was the last backup taken? To be sure, we have the right product for you, and there is this beautiful software which comes from a company called iMyFone. Now, basically, it's a very simple software at a very budgetary price you can buy online. Install it on your Mac, on your Windows, on your device, iOS devices, and it just takes the backup from your current phone and transfers it to your new phone. Whether it's from Android to Android, Android to Apple, Apple to Apple, whichever it is. So guys, I'm going to tell you step-by-step procedure on this video on what this software is, how to transfer the messages, how to use the software from Android to Android in this one. We will do an Android to Apple and Apple to Apple as well in the following videos, but today it's just going to be Android to Android using a Windows PC if required. So, but before I do that, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube, if you're watching us on Facebook, Instagram or TikTok, or if you're not, go and visit us there as well. Our handle on all three channels is @GreatLobbies. On the web, we are at www.greatlobbies.com. So let's get on to removing your messages from one phone and taking them to the other, or just simply taking a backup of them using iMyFone. So don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. So guys, this is a product called iTransfer for WhatsApp by iMyFone. So this is and we're going to tell you exactly how to use it and how this can save all your memories that are stored in your WhatsApp messages in just a matter of few seconds or a few minutes at the tops. But before I continue to tell you about it, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you want to watch us on Facebook, Instagram or TikTok, we are on @GreatLobbyist as a handle. On the web, we are on www.greatlobbyist.com. So guys, getting straight on to it. So, the process of using iTransfer by iMyFone for WhatsApp messages and transfer of data from one phone to another of WhatsApp is absolutely easy. It works with both the WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business Messenger, and it has 100% success rate, easy to operate, and it's a direct transfer, and all the chats and attachments and links are covered and transferred from one phone to another without having to worry about the loss of data. This is a fantastic solution which gives you a complete backup, restore, and transfer solution of all your WhatsApp messages. So guys, steps are fairly simple. It has no restrictions on which OS or your operating form. You can restore from old backups. It can keep a history of it as well, or you can just back up what your current messages are from one phone to another. Step-by-step process to follow, and we are getting straight onto it. So first step, you download the app, buy the license from the website link given below, imyphone.com, and look for transfer, backup, restore, WhatsApp solution, iTransfer. And once you've downloaded, activate the license which has been given to you with the purchase and your registered email address. And after that, it is just a few steps. So once you've done that, plug in both your phones, the source which you want to transfer from, and the new phone, which is the destination, onto your laptop, make sure to take care of a few precautions before you do that. One, you need to make sure that the developer options are activated on both your devices, especially in the case of Android. And that's what I'm using, Android to Android transfer. And second is, when you're done activating the developer options on your Android devices, make sure that you give the you activate the USB debugging option on under that as well. And of course, with both the whether you're using the WhatsApp Messenger or the Business Messenger or WhatsApp, make sure that the storage access has been given to both those both the places to your WhatsApp application. So once you're done, step by step, otherwise it'll prompt you to do it and tell you how to do it as well. It's fairly easy. So first step is to plug in those devices and press the transfer button right in the middle. You'll be able to see the phone detects the phone, whether it's both are Android or one is iPhone and one is Android automatically. And once you plug it in, if you don't see the right phone in the right place, there's a switch button right in the middle. Press that and you swap the phones so that the right one is the source and the right one is the destination. And once the transfer starts, once you press the transfer button, it will automatically start preparing your source device first, making sure that there is a local backup on your phone of your WhatsApp messages. Just in case not, it's going to prompt you to deactivate the Google Drive backup in the case of Android. Just select never as an option in the chat settings of your WhatsApp and make a local backup. Once you're done making the local backup, it'll automatically start preparing start to transfer the data from your old phone to the new phone. The next step will be to prepare the destination device. Now, what it is going to do is it will install. It will check for all the compatibilities in terms of whether the WhatsApp Messenger has the storage access, whether the Google Drive backup has been set to never, and so on. So and of course the developer option and the USB debug is activated on that phone as well. So once you're done with that, just press the transfer and done button. If there is any additional thing it requires you to do on either of the phone, whether the source or destination, it'll ask you to it will show you a pop-up and give you the step-by-step process how to do it. And once you're done, it'll take not more than 2 minutes for transfer of data from one phone to another. Then just simply enter the registered mobile number and the 6-digit pin that WhatsApp will send you through an SMS or through a call. Once you've entered that, voila, you have all your messages from your old phone to your new phone. But while you're doing that, because it does install a dummy version, which is purely a safe APK of the WhatsApp Messenger, there. So just make sure that you install the latest update of the WhatsApp Messenger, and then you are good to go. So guys, this is a fantastic software for transferring WhatsApp data between the two devices. But at the same time, what you can also do is you can back up WhatsApp on your device or restore any of the backups which are there on your device, whether the device is your phone or whether the device is your PC. So you can always use any of these two options which are available, and it will just guide you through the simplistic process of transferring the data or restoring the backup or exporting or taking a backup or exporting the backup into any of the set formats that are of your choice, whether it is HTML, PDF, XLS, or CSV. So so this is iTransfer from iMyFone. You got the download and buy link at the links below. Click there and you get a special discount from iMyFone guys, and just because you've used our link, and you will absolutely not regret it. So when you talk about backing up, it's simply the process. Just connect the phone that you want to back up. It automatically selects the operating system and just press the button backup, and then it will simply take the backup into the default folder of which you've set. and you will be able to see the progress happening at all the times. Same is the case with restoring. Once you set it up, it'll show you the list of all the backups that are available on your device or on your iOS, or from your device and from your iOS, which are there on your local machine or onto your local phone, and it will tell you which account number is it for, so that you are making the right selection. And all you need to do is restore or export it to the computer, so that you can save a local copy as well if you like. And then it is all the matter of click, and it processes the backup file and starts restoring it, and you are good to go, and the restore is done. The same is the case with exporting the messages. It's the same process. You see the list of packages, backups which are there of all the WhatsApp messages of all the accounts that are connected. This particular software, by default, when you purchase it, you could use it for up to 5 different WhatsApp accounts. So you don't have to, basically one software works for the whole family in its own way. So fantastic software in a way. If you get stuck somewhere, don't worry about it. Sometimes it's just the message reading or some of the settings that have gone missing. Just follow the steps given on the screen when you're doing the setup, and you will be good to go. So guys, this is iTransfer from iMyFone. So check on the link below. Let us know what you think. If you have any questions regarding this software, do ask us by leaving a comment in the description below, and we'll be happy to get them answered. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. Keeping yourself safe and keeping all your WhatsApp messages safe through iMyFone iTransfer. Peace.